Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to the messenger icon. This is where search lives. Once the inbox appears, make sure the app is updated and you have network access, because incomplete data hides messages. Now tap the search field at the top and begin typing the person's name, username, or a keyword from the chat. You're not done yet. Instagram suggests matches as you type, so watch suggestions and pick the closest match to narrow results quickly. Once you've selected a conversation, refine within the chat if needed by using the in-conversation search. Tap the chat info or three dots and choose search. Type unique words, emojis, or parts of links to jump to specific messages. Exact usernames yield faster matches, while partial names handle spelling errors. For group chats, look for multiple avatars or a group icon to avoid false positives. If results are many, scan timestamps and message. After you find the message, tap it and Instagram will jump to that spot. You can long press to react, forward, copy, or save the message. If search returns nothing, restart the app, clear cache Android, or reinstall the app. This forces reindexing and often restores missing results. Also, make sure the conversation isn't archived, deleted, or blocked, because those are excluded from normal search. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh server sync and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.